Hi guys! Today we are going to cook sweet corn and glutinous rice with coconut milk and jackfruit, or ginataang sweet corn. Ginataang sweet corn and glutinous rice with jackfruit is a simple and easy to cook breakfast, dessert, or afternoon snack. You can also enjoy it hot or cold. It will be so easy. You'll just have to prepare 1 cup each of the following ingredients: glutinous rice, coconut milk, creamer, sweet corn kernels, sugar, and sweet jackfruit pulp. And now let us start cooking. Wash glutinous rice 3 times with clean water. Then cook with 3 cups water and the 1 cup coconut milk. When the glutinous rice is cooked, put the creamer and mix. Then pour the corn, the sugar, and the sweet jackfruit. Mix well. And cook for another 3 minutes.